If your hair journey had a movie title, what would it be?
I would say Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Wow. That was a good one.
Somewhere when you start getting bored, it plays back in your mind. Me and my friend have been speaking about it for a good 1 year. Let's go to Turkey, let's go here, let's go there. And then I came across Ashur on, I think, Instagram.
A lot of people in Dubai I've seen hesitate when I tell them it's a 5-day of a treatment plan.
They get scared. Anything fruitful and good takes time. You do the procedure 5 days, rest for 3 days, you're back. I was back playing badminton, I was back playing squash, I was back in the gym. I didn't have much swelling at all. And the best thing was, I don't need to take tablets, I don't need to put any kind of solutions, I don't need to do anything.
You're maintenance free.
You can see, I've colored my hair, I've done everything possible. And as a matter of fact, I have shaved my head twice.
Is it?
Yeah, and it's come back again.
Your entire fitness journey, it was 114 kilos to dropping down to
75. I didn't control my eating habits. I decided I'm going to stop sugar. And I also shifted to a very high protein, high fiber diet. And I saw the drastic drop in weight. So you need to keep going on and on and on and on.
How do you feel today? It's been 2.5 years.
And the best decision I've taken in my life. Your lifestyle that you live plays a very important role on your results. The kind of food you eat, the hours you sleep, all this is interconnected to the results that you achieve on your health.